Well, hi there pluckers, Arbus All Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting guitar lesson. This one is a song from the Stereophonics called Maybe Tomorrow, and I'm doing the acoustic version, which was you can find on YouTube, and standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the Stereophonics performed it in. Okay. So without more to do, I'm going to try and go through the whole song for you now, and then I shall break it down and show you exactly how I played it, and hopefully you'll be good to go with it too. My singing, as usual, is just purely for reference. Okay, so here we go. Down and wondering why these little black clouds keep walking around with me. It wastes time and I run behind, thinking I'll walk outside and buy me rainbow smile. There'll be three, they're all free. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. I look around a beautiful life, being upside down, being on inside out. We breathe, we breathe. I want to breeze on an open road, want to swim the ocean, want to take my time for me, all of me. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow on my way home. So maybe tomorrow find my way home. Something like that. Okay, there we have it. So let's try and get that sorted out for you. Right, so first chord, E flat major 7th. Okay, I'm playing the first 4 strings only. I'm playing the first fret, first finger, first fret, 4th string, D string, and my 3rd finger is barring the first 3 strings on the 3rd fret. Okay, just those 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then I'm going to a C minor bar chord, 3rd fret, and this is all quite loose. Sometimes you hammer into it, so you place the bar on the 3rd fret and then you hammer the other 3 fingers in, that sort of thing. And occasionally he does like a G suspended 4th, and he just takes this 2nd finger off completely, and you end up with that sort of sound, so that gets in the mix as well. So sometimes you get this sort of effect. That sort of thing. Okay, so it hammers in, and then he takes that 2nd finger off completely, and then goes to a G minor. The third chord is a G minor, so keeping the bar on the 3rd fret, and he's fretting the 5th fret of the A string and the D string, the 5th string and the 4th string on the 5th fret. Okay, so far we've got E major, B flat major 7th, C minor with a bit of jiggery pokery, and then a G minor, and then the 4th chord is a straightforward F chord to start with, but I am playing it with 4 fingers. Okay, so you've got your simple F like that, and this 3rd finger is going up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and pinky is taking its place on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the D string. So then you've got a 5 string F chord. Okay, play it with all 4 fingers. Okay, so you can hit all 5 strings now. Okay, so there we have it. So that's the chord sequence for the intro and the verses. Okay, so. Now, I haven't quite finished with it yet. when you get to the F, you start off playing the F, but then you take this 2nd finger off and just leave everything else as it was. Just remove that 2nd finger off the 3rd string, so you now have the G string open. So, and you play a couple of strums with the open, and then you hammer back into that 2nd fret on the 3rd string again to make the back up to the F. Okay, so how that works is this. Excuse me. So it's okay, so I'll do that very slowly for you, the complete round of chords coming up slowly. And it starts all over again, yeah? Okay, so that's it. That's the intro. You'd play through that twice, and then the verse is exactly the same chord sequence, and then it goes into the 2nd verse, exactly the same chord sequence again, and then it goes into the chorus, which is exactly the same chord sequence again. It just keeps playing those 4 chords round and round and round. Okay, so let's just go through the intro a couple of times, and then we'll do the 1st verse, the 2nd verse and the 1st chorus. Okay, so here we go. And then, oh sorry, forgot to mention, try not to play this too quickly. I know it's hard, but it really is quite slow, otherwise you won't get the words in. Okay, I tried many times. Verse. Been down and I'm wondering why these little black clouds keep walking around with me. Waste time or I'll be high. I think I'll walk outside and my rainbow smile, but be free. They're all free. The chorus, maybe tomorrow, same chords again. Find my way home. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. Look round on the beautiful life, and then we go into another verse, exactly the same chord sequence. Okay. Right, so the only thing that's different about this song, you just keep going. So then you do, like I say, you do another verse or another 2 verses and another chorus. So it's exactly the same as the first 2 verses and chorus, okay? To play just the 4 chords around and round and round. And then when you come out of the 2nd chorus, it changes. There's a bridge section which I think is probably on the full band song, is an instrumental bit, okay, but he's just going my on it, okay. So this is what I'll do, is I'll do the second chorus, which comes after about the fourth verse, okay. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. Right, here comes the intro. Chorus. So maybe tomorrow. Okay, so let's do this bridge section. So it only played once, okay, and that's after the second chorus. You come out of the second chorus and you end up on the F, and then you go to C minor, right? My, then a D seventh, my, G minor, my, F, oh, my, C minor again, my, D seventh, my, G minor, my, F, my, and then you go back into the chorus again. So maybe tomorrow, same as usual, the same four chords. Oh yeah, and maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. They're just more my's, okay? And then just basically keeps doing that for a couple of times, my's, wherever you want to put the my's in, and then you end up just slowing a bit down at the end. So last time say my, just finishes on an E flat major seventh. Okay, so there we have it. So the full chord sequence is 99% of the song. The only slight difference is after the second chorus you go into this bridge section, which is C minor, my, D seventh, my, G minor, my, F, my, repeat the whole thing again, C minor, my, D seventh, my, G minor, my, then back to the full chord sequence. Maybe tomorrow, and so on. Okay, and just do another couple of choruses, and then some more my's, and just finish on the E flat major seventh. And there you have it. Nice, easy song for you. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.